This method represents a cleanup method in which the sorbent binds and removes matrix components rather than extracting the analytes of interest. In this case, the dye represents the sample matrix interference. Mix the sample solution with the sorbent by aspirating and dispensing the solution. Note the sample solution becomes colorless when it is dispensed. Repeat the aspirate and dispense steps. Ensure the sorbent is thoroughly mixed with the solution for optimal contact and high efficiency. Note the blue dye is removed, producing a clean eluent. The extraction is done. The sample solution is colorless with the matrix interference removed from the solution.